got a job for you more at 3 till 5, and your grandfather will have to take us there. Can you do that?
If there's enough money, how much are they paying?
$200.
$200?
No, 200 pennies. Stupid.
Well, if it's a real show, we'll probably need some dancers.
Dancers?
Yeah, and they'll need to make at least $25 each. Can you arrange that?
Done. I'll text you the address.
Okay. See you then. Bye, Joey. We got a job! Yes!
Okay, ladies, let's give a big hand for this week's guest, the 508.
What are you doing?
Hey, listen up.
If you wanna groove, better make your move. You and me, gotta move your feet. Move your feet.
Oh, did you pause the TV? Did you pause it, Giovanna? Giovanna, make it go again.
No time to chill. You better take that pill, 'cause there ain't no way you'll be sitting still. Burning up with those crazy deep. Keep getting down. Keep going, you feel the heat. Get down, get down, get down. Jumping up with those crazy deep. Never hitting the ground. Feel it when you dance, 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 dance. Come on.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Giovanna. Giovanna, did you do that?
If you wanna groove, you better make your move. When you hear that beat, gotta move your feet. Just hear that rhythm there, dance, dance, dance.
Did you pause it? Did you pause it? Yay! Giovanna. Giovanna, did you pause the TV? Did you pause the TV? Did you pause it again? Yeah.
Thank you very much. You're very kind. Now for something everyone can dance to. This is a song Tatiana wrote herself. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All I wanna do